Here's how Gabor Weber from ADI Leak Detection found and fixed a hidden water leak at a property in Welwyn. Gabor Weber attended a property in Welwyn to carry out a leak investigation, using acoustic listening equipment, thermal imaging and moisture mapping to trace the source. The leak was located and repaired. And here's what customer Rowena Love said. Very helpful and professional from first contact with the call centre through to the plumber sorting the leak. Extremely prompt service. They came the very next day, which meant we didn't have to do without heating over the weekend. The plumber Gabor was very informative, keeping us abreast of what he was doing and why throughout the process. He found the leak, repaired it, and our central heating is now back in business. Thank you. For leak detection in Welwyn, call ADI Leak Detection on 0800 731 3843.